Here's how to download NordVPN on Samsung Smart TV in less than 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide so you can start using NordVPN on your TV even if there's no direct download option available and get it working quickly without confusion. First, it is important to understand one key thing. You won't find NordVPN in the Samsung TV App Store. That's because Samsung Smart TVs run on a system that doesn't support VPN apps directly. But don't worry, there are simple ways around this, and the easiest method for most people is using SmartDNS. Start by going to the NordVPN website on your phone or computer and log into your account. Once you're inside, look for the SmartDNS feature and enable it. This feature lets your TV access content as if it's in a different location without needing to install an app. After turning it on, make sure your Samsung TV is connected to the same internet network. Now go to your TV settings. Open the network settings, then choose your current Wi-Fi connection. Look for advanced or IP settings and find the DNS section. Change the DNS from automatic to manual, then enter the smart DNS address provided by NordVPN. Once you save this, restart your TV to apply the changes. After your TV turns back on, open any streaming app and test it. If everything is set up correctly, you should now be able to access content that may not have been available before. If you want full VPN protection instead of just streaming access, the next option is setting up NordVPN on your router. This means every device connected to your Wi-Fi, including your Samsung TV, will use the VPN automatically. To do this, you'll need to log into your router settings from a browser, enter the VPN details from your NordVPN account, and connect it there. Once it's active, your TV will already be covered without needing extra setup. Another simple option is using a streaming device like a compatible TV stick that allows VPN apps. You can plug it into your Samsung TV, install NordVPN directly on that device, and connect from there. This gives you more control, like switching locations anytime you want. If something doesn't work right away, double-check your DNS entry or restart both your TV and internet connection. Small steps like this usually fix most issues quickly. By following these methods, you can effectively use NordVPN on your Samsung Smart TV even without a direct download option and enjoy a more flexible access to content in just a few minutes.